So let's make a basic sleigh. Okay, now in your die sets, you have got a right and a left-handed side to your sleigh. So if I just take my dies out, can you see that you've got a right and a left-handed side there? Okay, and that's going to give you the right cut on either side when you put this together. So you must cut one of each. Okay, now also you must cut that bottom filigree into the design before you put it together, because once it's stuck together you can't get into that segment there. This here is your back panel. This is the bit that holds the sleigh together. Okay, the sort of middle seam, as it were. So first of all, what we need to do is just fold on those little score lines on the bottom of the sleigh track. So just fold those over. And then you're going to take your glue so let's place some adhesive on there, and you're now going to put this together, so one on top of the other. And at the moment this here is the wrong side, so when we pull that up, you can see the sleigh is starting to take shape. So this is the panel that holds it all together. All right, so this is the right side of your die cut, and you can see that I've got my tape on the back side. So let's take that tape away. Just taking all those little bits off. Come on, Mr. Tape, play nicely. And there, and there. So now we have to put this in. So work on one side, okay? Don't try and hold the whole thing. So you're going to pull that up so it looks like a seat, okay? And that, once you've got your bottom in and the top, I'm going to show you close up in just a minute. Let me just eyeball it so that I can get it in. Can you see how that back panel is virtually level to that one there? It's also level on the bottom of the sleigh. And then the other one, do it so you can see, is going to come up and sit parallel with the front bit. Okay, and then it's just a case of folding the whole thing over, making sure that your bottom of your sleigh is level. So place that into there and just tweet with your finger at that side, a little tweet at that side, and you've got your basic sleigh. Now you've got all those beautiful panels in there. You can decorate it with all those gorgeous panel designs in there, or if you want to, just put on patterned paper with a few little decorations. Absolutely perfect. Now if you've also got one of our Stanley the Stags, get him on there as well, because he looks perfect.